Fenil Seta, a 20-year-old history student, has been a member of the website Mouth Shut since 2006. Unlike what its name suggests, the site encourages users to not keep their mouths shut by reviewing all products and services available to them.
It's a very nice site where you can write all the kind of reviews that you want, and also not only the reviews, you can also write anything that you want. Everything that you can read about. There's movies, there's hotels, okay, some place of India, like any place of India, city, hill stations. You can read about the newspapers, reviews. Anything that you say, it's there on Mouth Shut, and that's I think the great thing about Mouth Shut. Yeah.
Mouth Shut has started a virtual consumer movement. This in turn is helping companies find a space where they can interact and learn about customers' experiences and in turn make their products better. There is an old adage that says the customer is king, and Mouth Shut is an example of that.
Mouth Shut today has reviews on more than 3 lakh products and services. That could be something as small as the restaurant that you went last night, or something as important as the jewelry store where you're looking to buy your wedding jewelry from. Everything that has a brand name, everything that has a name can be reviewed on Mouth Shut.
The Mouth Shut interface has been designed to be very user-friendly.
So Mouth Shut for an individual is absolutely free. We don't charge users to use Mouth Shut at all. If you are looking to read a product review, just come into Mouth Shut, type the name of the product, and you will see people's opinions and ratings for those products and services. If you are looking to write your own opinion, then you have to fill a simple registration form. If you have an email address, then that's all that's required, just an email address. It takes 30 seconds or less to register, and you can start writing.
Mouth Shut communities are built around favorite topics, as Fenil, an ardent movie reviewer, learned to his delight.
I've got a star writer status there since 2006, and yes, people do read my reviews because when they see that I have posted, so they do come and read. And I don't know how many views I get, but people do come, and I have my own fan base kind of a thing there on Mouth Shut. So it's really great, and it feels very good.
Since consumers spend a lot of time on the website, it is crucial for the company that its user interface is simple.
The information architecture of Mouth Shut has been created based on extensive user research, understanding of how users think, behave, work.
And this strategy has worked.
In the beginning, there were like 100 or 200 members per day we used to get. Now we get like thousands of members, and it goes to like millions of hit pages per day.
Invariably, this activity has led to the occasional face-off between companies and Mouth Shut because of negative reviews on the site.
Our whole goal is not to confront them, but we try and educate them that these are reviews written by your customers, and chances are, instead of fighting a legal battle with your customer or Mouth Shut, you should focus your energy on improving your service. And believe it or not, majority of them heed into that advice. They actually go out and engage the person who's written the review, and they engage them into a dialogue and conversation and resolve it rather than confronting them.
This interaction between consumer and company happens in Mouth Shut's corporate blog section, where companies pay for the space to conduct dialogue. This feature and online advertising are two important sources of revenue for the site.
Mouth Shut has been a great vehicle for freedom of speech that has helped the Indian consumer find his voice.